Thursday will feature pretty typical weather for this time in early January, but then we watch out for 2 chances of snow. A small system for Friday, which could be the appetizer for something bigger next week. I'll explain it all right now. Good Wednesday evening, everybody. It's January 5th, 2011, and we have some weather to talk about. We do have a couple chances of snow to get to, so let's get off to it. For Thursday, it's going to be seasonably cold with increasing clouds. That area of low pressure up over the Great Lakes bringing some snow to those areas is the same system that's going to affect us by Friday. It's going to dive to the south and team up with some Atlantic moisture. Now, this is not really a storm that we're going to be talking about, but more like a trough setting up in just the right spot to bring us some snow. Now, I could go into a lot of crazy terms to try and explain to you what's going to be going on, but I'm going to refrain from that. The best way I can put this is that you'll understand is a disturbance is going to be swinging through. It's going to cause the air to rise and precipitation to form and fall in the form of snow by Friday. It's going to be a small system. It's going to be a real quick mover. Not a lot of accumulation is expected, but needless to say, we are expecting some accumulation. Future radar showing that it's dry for tonight into tomorrow. By the later evening hours on Thursday and into Friday, that snow will be approaching from the west. You can see here by 1 a.m. we're talking about light snow advancing through the state of Pennsylvania. During about the morning rush hour on Friday, snow will be moving in. It will be light to moderate, and that is when we're going to start to see things accumulate throughout the morning into the early afternoon. The snow will continue, moderate at times, and then by the mid-afternoon, it's already exiting the area. By the evening rush here, it's moving toward the northeast. We're just left with a few lingering flurries or snow showers, and then it continues to move away. And by the time you get to 8, 9 o'clock at night, it's going to be completely out of here, leaving behind some minimal accumulations. What are we talking about when I say that? Well, here you go. In an area from about South Jersey, extreme North Delaware, stretching around toward Lancaster and western Berks County, about just a coating to an inch, not a whole lot, about 1 to 3 inches for most of Berks County, the Lehigh Valley, into the western part of the Poconos, and then a good part of central New Jersey. And then there will be a band setting up to our north and east with some enhancement or additional snowfall stretching from the northern Poconos into North Jersey and over toward New York City. This area could see 3 to 6 inches of snow on Friday. Now, as I mentioned in the teaser, this could be an appetizer to what could be coming. This is the small storm. Next week, we are going to watch a storm come into the Pacific Northwest and likely track all the way across the country and end up on the East Coast. We could be talking about a coast-to-coast snow event by the mid-part of next week. Timing on this right now looks to be Tuesday into Wednesday. Of course, way too early to nail down any details, but the threat is there. Future weather showing a cold day for Saturday, another cold one for Sunday. Monday, we start to inch those numbers up a little bit ahead of this next possible storm system. By Tuesday, all eyes will be to the south for moisture gathering, and by Wednesday, we could watch a system up on the coast. We'll continue to keep you posted. Overnight tonight, it's just going to be partly cloudy and cold, 18 to 22. During the day tomorrow, a seasonably cold day with highs in the 30s, and on the exclusive BP Weather 5-day forecast, Friday, light snow, the high around freezing. So we will see some of that accumulation, again about 1 to 3 inches. Saturday it's going to be breezy and cold, feeling like a slap in the face with highs in the 20s. Sunday windy and cold, and Monday we begin to improve. It's just a little bit. That is a look at your forecast for today. I'll try and see you tomorrow. Enjoy the snow.